Happy New Year, everyone. This year, I am very excited to see what this year will bring, and I thank all my supporters that supported me last year. I've gained 300 plus uh, subscribers. I believe it's 393, and I really appreciate you all. I will start this new year by making a flower motif, which I call flower and snowflakes. For round 1 to 3 of this pattern, I use the same instructions that I used on poinsettia and berries motif. So please follow the instructions given, both the written and the spoken instructions on that pattern. I will post the link for those rounds 1 to 3 of the poinsettia and berries on the comment section of this video so that you will be able to click on the link and follow the instructions for each round. So to start round 4, we slip stitch on the next stitch, and on this round we will use a double crochet instead of triple crochet. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3 to count as 1 double crochet. Double crochet on the next 6 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. Then chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 1 triple crochet and double crochet on the next triple crochet. And this double crochet is the beginning of the repeating stitches. So let us put a marker there. Then double crochet on the remaining 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the chain 3 space, and chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the ending of the repeating stitches. So let's put a marker here. So we will repeat from the double crochet, from the first double crochet on top of the petal up to the chain 5 before the next petal. Repeat this set of stitches all around. After the last chain 5 of this round, then slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning, chain 3. And this is the end of round 4. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon on round 5.